children, the second lesson we have, it's a poem, Leisure. So all of you have very good leisure time now. So you can understand the meaning of that leisure. Leisure means it's nothing but free time. Yes, free time. So spelling you see Leisure. Some people can call it as leisure, but correct one is it's a leisure time. So it was written by William Henry Davies. It was written by William Henry Davies. So now we have too much of leisure time now. Even in the schools also we get some leisure time, and at home we have much leisure time. How can we spend this leisure time? So if you see here, how do you like to spend your time when you are free, when you have leisure time? Some people go to new places and enjoy their leisure time. And some prefer to stay back at home and taking rest. So which one do you like it? And some people take up new hobbies also. Different hobbies they may addict to that. And here is a poem, Leisure. Come and listen to it. So very interesting poem to you. So what is the life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. So what is the life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. So what is this life if full of care? Full of care means not of care ourselves. Full of care means it's full of worries. So if we have full of worries, we have no time to stand and stare. Now if we see our life, hustle bustle life we call. Hustle bustle means completely packed up. We are doing so many works, we have no leisure time. People, if we see, they have no time at all to spend the time very happily with the family and in the nature especially. Now if we see, we have no time to stand and stare. To stand for some time, some place and look at the surroundings and enjoy the nature. Do we have time? Not at all. And no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows. If you see in the village, sheep and cows, they stand under the boughs. Boughs means trees, branches. So under the tree they stand there and they enjoy the nature. But do we have time to stand and enjoy ourselves there? Not at all. So no time to stand beneath the boughs. That means under the trees, in the shade of the tree. Do we have time? And stare as long as sheep or cows. So the sheep and the cows, they go to the fields and they eat grass and they stand in the shade of the tree and they enjoy the nature. But do we enjoy the nature like that? We have time to enjoy like so? No. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. So no time to see. So not only to enjoy, to see and enjoy also we don't have time nowadays, especially when woods we pass. Woods means here, woods, big trees, nothing but like a forest, a line of trees, more and more continuing. And where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. So when there is a very much greenery, the squirrels hide their food, nuts in that grass and they store it and later they eat it, the squirrels. So that kind of nature can we enjoy now? No. And no time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. So no time to see in broad daylight, so complete daylight, how the sunrise, how the sunset. Can we see and enjoy nowadays? Are we enjoying in that way? We don't know. We have no time to look at all these. And watch how streams full of stars like skies at night. Streams full of stars. See, stars where can we see? In the sky, especially in the night time. But daytime also we can see one kind of stars. We have idea about this. The stream is flowing because of the sun shade, sun rays. Like the stars shining we get in the the stream. So that stars and like skies at night, how the night filled up with the night in the sky is filled up with the stars. The same way, the stream is also filled up with the twinkle stars. The sun, how the sun rays are for reflecting in the water. That we can enjoy. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. So no time to turn at beauty's glance. Glance means to look. So the beauty of the nature, to look at it. Do we have time? No time. And watch her feet, how they can dance. So they are dancing. So for the wind, it's moving and it's dancing and it's enjoying. That beauty can we enjoy? Can we do it? Can we think and going there and enjoying our beauty of the nature? And no time to wait. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So no time to wait till her mouth can enrich. So till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So we have no time to enjoy the nature, what it is showing, the beauty of the nature and how it is going on and how the flowers and the different things are going on in the nature. Do we wait and enjoy the nature? No time to wait there. And a poor life, this if full of care, we have no time to stand and stay. A poor life. So what is this life? A poor life. Why it became poor life? Because poor means not only because of the money. Poor means here we cannot enjoy whatever going on in our surroundings and in the nature. That is completely a poor life only. So what we have, beauty of the nature surrounding us, that we are not enjoying. So we have no time to stand and stare and enjoy the beauty of the nature. So that's why if a poor life this, if full of care, if we have full of worries, it's a poor life. We have no time to stand and stare. So really we have no time to stand and stare and to enjoy the nature. So we have leisure time, but nowadays our leisure time completely became to watch the movies or else enjoy the time by playing the games in the mobiles like that only. But the real nature, real beauty of the life in the nature only. So if we spend our leisure time in that nature, we can enjoy our life, we can fulfill our life with the pleasant feelings. So this is our poem, Leisure. So now we can see the questions on this.